Once upon a time, in a bustling forest, there lived a young squirrel named Rusty who was known for being the fastest climber in all the woods. He was very proud of his speed and agility, but he had one small problem. He never stopped to think before doing things. He would rush into situations without considering what might happen next. One sunny morning, Rusty woke up to the most wonderful smell coming from Wise Owl's tree. Without stopping to wonder what it might be, he immediately raced over and saw fresh acorn cookies cooling on a branch. They looked so delicious that Rusty didn't think twice. He grabbed as many as he could carry and scampered away. He was so excited about his treat that he didn't notice how hot the cookies still were, and he didn't hear Wise Owl calling out that they weren't ready yet. Poor Rusty ended up with burnt paws and a tummy ache from eating too many hot cookies. Even worse, he discovered that Wise Owl had been baking those cookies for the forest's annual friendship celebration, and now there weren't enough for everyone. All the other animals were disappointed, and Rusty felt terrible about ruining the celebration. He realized that if he had just taken a moment to think first, he would have known better than to take something that wasn't his. Feeling very sorry, Rusty went back to Wise Owl to apologize. The kind owl saw how upset Rusty was and offered him a chance to make things right. Together, they baked a new batch of cookies, and this time, Rusty learned to be patient. While they waited for the cookies to cool, Wise Owl taught him a simple trick. Whenever he wanted to do something, he should count to 5 and ask himself if it was the right thing to do. From that day on, Rusty practiced his new habit of stopping to think before acting. He found that taking just a few moments to consider his actions helped him make better choices and kept him out of trouble. The other forest animals noticed the change in Rusty, and soon he became known not just for being the fastest climber, but also for being thoughtful and considerate. And whenever he smelled something delicious, he remembered to count to 5 and think first, a lesson that served him well for the rest of his days in the forest.